lot of boxes. Oh my god! The delivery man is here. He has arrived. You're not. You're the man with the milk.
It's me, the milkman.
The milkman.
Sure. And
you came bearing gifts.
I'm come here.
I asked you for some Kato, and you bought me a whole shop of it.
Yeah, we got heaps of Kato. Heaps has come in.
When?
Today.
Today.
We're very lucky.
You broke my box.
Oh, that's all right. These things are robust.
Absolutely, they're double boxed.
Sure.
What is this?
This is some add-on sets, or even some starter sets, depending how you want to look at it, for the Kato Unitrack system. So, for those who don't know, it is a wonderful system if you're looking to get into N or HO, although at the moment we just have a lot of N-scale stuff, which is by far the easiest. There's a lot, doesn't take up a lot of room. This is all snapped together.
Yeah.
You can put it on the kitchen table, you can build a pretty easy layout, and then you can pack it up if you want. Or you can just leave it out, which is way more fun.
And you can like do scenery and basing and everything.
You can still do everything. You certainly can.
Yeah.
But this is a very easy way to get into N-scale.
And they cater like way more to the Japanese market than to any other market, right?
Like, well, yes and no. Like, a lot of this stuff is Japanese themed, but there is nothing stopping you using other N-scale models on it.
Right.
So if you want to use English, American, Australian, it doesn't matter. It will all run.
So you can chuck some Auscision on here and it'll work.
You certainly could.
Okay, cool.
Certainly could.
And the track, does that vary across continents?
Oh yeah, look, if you want to be a bit of a rivet counter, absolutely. If you're buying like this kind of stuff, I think you're just in it for the fun.
Yeah.
Which is what it's all about.
Absolutely.
If you want to go into that more serious prototype modeling, we've got the track for that
you
as well.
The track.
But this is here.
This is ready to go. Ready to go. That's the fun of it.
I thought you were buying some of this.
Oh, I was definitely looking at that. What is it? Salamander?
The Shinkansen.
Shinkansen. Yeah, the bullet train.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
we
that
got
thing
those too. I ran out of hands and room. So
you came in wielding briefcases of track.
Yeah.
That's like
how I felt walking through the store. I'm like, look out, everyone.
Look out! I'm money bags over here.
Oh, I wish.
Oh, absolutely.
Always got a soft spot for this. Like I'm pretty keen to one day get into it when I get everything else out of the way.
Yeah. Because also Pico do a lot of N-scale stuff too, but it's just a very different philosophy of building to this.
Well, yeah, I mean it's a lot more English
themed,
yeah, and everything. Yeah. But yeah, there's nothing stopping you getting this. You've got a layout at home, ready to go.
I'm going to ask a maybe very rudimentary question, but V12 and 13, what's the difference?
It is just the way that the track is laid out. I'm probably going to get it around the wrong way, but this one in your hands has got the raised parts. So you can...
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so they don't fall off?
No.
At all?
Oh, you don't not.
Don't give them that level of just...
But if you get both of them, you can mix them together. These are both double track ones, so you can have an up and a down train going around. And
wow.
Yeah.
Double track Viaduct set.
Yeah.
Enjoy multiple train action.
Yeah.
Can I just get this on the top camera? I hope I can, because that is just absolute like gold.
Where are we? There we go.
There's
Pop
action.
Across. Yeah.
Enjoy multiple train action.
Yeah.
Hiya! Multiple train action.
Had something else.
Yeah, what else is funny? Because they're just like...
They're so happy. The thing is, well, yeah.
They're so happy to just be giving us...
There was one on the other one. It says like easy to enjoy. And I was like, yeah, it certainly is. Just get into it.
Certainly is easy to enjoy. Do not second guess anything. What else? What else is news?
What else is news? Oh, well, I don't know.
Well, I mean, we did just have like all the Kato.
There was a lot of Kato came in.
So your brain is
very exciting.
Fried.
Certainly is.
Yeah.
K classes are still pretty popular. We've still got a few left.
Yeah.
If people are still chasing them, we've still got a couple of preserved ones, which are the popular ones.
Yep.
Apart from that, there's a few things probably on the horizon.
On the horizon, I was going to say there's a lot of anticipation for in the train world.
Certainly is.
There's a lot of drops happening.
Yeah, I mean we've got the pre-orders up for on-track models, new Victorian Railways L Sheeper Sleep. Oh, brain. Sheep wagons.
Bah.
Yeah.
Bah. There you go.
Fantastic.
I come from Albury. I know sheep. I know sheep really well.
Yeah, I'll bet.
I have some New Zealand friends too.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Excellent. So yeah, that's coming out. We'll probably see some announcements next weekend at the Diamond Creek exhibition.
Ooh. What's that?
See some samples.
What's that?
It's a pretty good exhibition. It's
Plug
on
it.
Okay, so next weekend in Diamond Creek, it's still in Melbourne, easy access via public transport and ample free parking. There is a model train show, and it's pretty good. It's really for the modeler. They'll have lots of layouts, but they'll have a lot of the manufacturers and retailers there, so you'll be able to see all the things that are hopefully coming out. The few people have teased that we'll see, tooled and painted samples of a few new models, so that'll be exciting. Pretty keen for that, and I'll be there with my layout.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
You can come say hi.
Absolutely. I'll be there all weekend.
He works at Hearns as well, so
you can just come in here.
You can just come in here and say hello, because we're in.
Yeah.
Why don't you come to both? How's that sound?
It's a pretty good option.
That's a great option. You can come and pester him at Hearns and buy some Kato. Kato.
Look, I'm not going to correct anyone on how to say it, because every time I say it on one of my videos, someone is in the comments telling me I'm wrong, no matter which way it is.
That's right.
I thought about just not saying it, just flashing it on screen. You choose your own adventure.
Yeah. Here, I'm
how
unboxing
to say this. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
That's all right.
All right, I'll give you these ones.
Thank you so
Anything
much.
else you want to say before we get Tony in?
No, we'll get Tony in.
Easy. He's got some exciting stuff to show us for RC, but thank you.
All right.
Hopefully we have some new stuff as well next week that you can bring in.
Certainly.
Absolutely.
All right.
No worries. Thanks, Will.
That's all right.